Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to compress video files without losing any quality. This is very simple and easy method. Do not worry, I can explain it in very simple way. Now, let's dive right into it. Here's an example of a video file, and you can see the massive reduction in file size. The original was very big file. Now compress this file. Now let's get started with the steps to achieve this. Before we start, let's understand why compressing videos without losing quality is essential. Large video files take up a lot of storage space and can be challenging to share or upload online. By compressing them, we can reduce their size without sacrificing their quality, making them easier to manage and share. Now let's move on to the process. First, we'll need a free program called Handbrake. Open your browser and search for Handbrake tool. Make sure you visit the official website at handbrake.fr. Click on the download link and the file will start downloading. It's about 22 megabytes in size. Once the download is complete, locate the file and run the installer. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Handbrake on your computer. It's a straightforward process and should only take a few minutes. After installing Handbrake, you can launch it from your desktop shortcut or by searching for it in your computer's search bar. Now, open Handbrake and either select a folder with videos or choose a single video file. Handbrake will scan the file to prepare it for compression. With the file loaded into Handbrake, it's time to adjust some settings to ensure we achieve the best results. Here are some key settings to adjust in Handbrake. Choose a preset, such as 1080p by 30. This preset strikes a balance between quality and file size. However, you can explore other presets based on your preferences. Keep the format as MP4 for easy compatibility across different devices and platforms. If you intend to share the video online, you can enable the web-optimized option to further optimize it for web streaming. Ensure the frame rate is set to same as source to maintain the original frame rate of the video. Additionally, set the encoder to constant to ensure consistent quality throughout the video. Once you've configured the settings, choose where you want to save the compressed file and give it a name. Then click on Start Encode to begin the compression process. May take some time depending on the size and complexity of the video. You can monitor the progress in Handbrake and once it's complete, Handbrake will indicate that the process is finished. Now let's compare the original and compressed files to see the difference in file size and quality. Here's a comparison between the original and compressed files. The original video was very big, while the compressed is very small. That's around a 4.5 times decrease in size. Despite the reduction in file size, the quality of the compressed video remains excellent. And there you have it, a full guide on how to compress video files without losing quality using Handbrake. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. For more of this type of content, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a nice day.